This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake in a cooker. First, gather your ingredients, including cream cheese, sugar, eggs, and graham crackers. You'll need a 6 or 7-inch springform pan. For the crust, combine about 1 1/2 cups of crushed graham crackers with 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of your prepared pan. This forms the delicious base for your creamy cheesecake. Next, let's prepare the luscious filling. In a large bowl, beat 2 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese with 3/4 of a cup of sugar until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Then, gently mix in 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance all those wonderful flavors. Now it's time to get your cheesecake ready for the cooker. Carefully pour the creamy filling over your prepared graham cracker crust in the springform pan. To protect it, cover the pan tightly with aluminum foil. Place a trivet inside your cooker and add 1 1/2 cups of water. Carefully lower your foil-covered springform pan onto the trivet. Close the lid and set it to cook. Once cooked, allow the pressure to release naturally, then carefully remove your cheesecake from the cooker. Let it cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. This is a crucial step for preventing cracks. After it's cooled, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best texture and flavor. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Slice, serve, and enjoy your perfectly cooked, creamy cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.